Everyone wants to be rich, but very few people are willing to build the habits that actually lead to wealth. I wasn't born rich. I didn't win the lottery, and I'm not a genius. But I changed the way I lived, and that changed my entire life. Here are the 7 habits that transform my financial future. These aren't hacks. They're not shortcuts. These are real, repeatable habits that anyone can start today. Habit number 1, I started paying myself first. The moment I got paid, I used to spend it all. Bills, food, fun, whatever. At the end, I saved whatever was left. But wealthy people do the opposite. I began saving at least 20% of every dollar I earned before spending anything else. This one shift made me realize I was building my future, not just surviving the present. Start today, even if it's just $1. Build a habit of paying yourself first. Habit number 2, I tracked every dollar. Most people are scared to look at their bank balance. I used to be too, but when you don't control your money controls you. I started tracking every rupee, every dollar, not to restrict myself, but to free myself. I knew where my money was going, and slowly, I started telling it where to go. Wealth starts with awareness, and awareness starts with tracking. Habit number 3, I built skills, not just resumes. I stopped chasing degrees and started chasing skills. Copywriting, sales, digital marketing, communication, investing. I learned skills that could make money, solve problems, and help people. And the more valuable I became, the more money followed. Skills are assets. Learn one high-income skill, and you'll never be broke again. Habit number 4, I woke up before the world. I started waking up before 6 a.m. Not to brag, not to hustle nonstop, but to think clearly before the noise of the world hit me. Early mornings gave me time to learn, plan, build, and grow. When everyone else was sleeping or scrolling, I was leveling up silently. Mornings became my secret weapon. Try it. It changes everything. Habit number 5, I started saying no. Most people stay broke because they say yes to everything. Parties, distractions, short-term pleasures. I started saying no. No to wasting time. No to negative people. No to anything that didn't align with my future self. You don't need more time. You need fewer distractions. Habit number 6, I invested instead of just saving. I realized saving alone wouldn't make me rich. Inflation was eating away my money. So I learned about investing. Stocks, mutual funds, digital assets, and most importantly, investing in myself. The goal wasn't to look rich. It was to build generational wealth, slowly, steadily, and smartly. If you don't learn to make your money work for you, you'll always be working for money. Habit number 7, I built a rich mindset. This is the foundation of everything. I stopped saying, I can't, and started asking, how can I? I stopped blaming my past and started building my future. I filled my mind with books, mentors, success stories, and positive beliefs. I reprogrammed how I thought about money, success, and myself. Because you can't build a rich life with a poor mind. I'm not saying it's easy, but I am saying it's possible. Wealth isn't luck. It's not magic. It's daily, repeated habits that compound over time. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Start today. Build one habit at a time. Because the life you dream of is built by the habits you live with.